Hi, the Unity Foundation is live at the Community Food Pantry of Galena, Hudson, Kankakee, and Willis Townships with some very exciting news. Over a year ago, we started working towards the goal of raising over $1 million to leverage more than $2 million in matching grant funds from our friends at the Lilly Endowment. And thanks to your incredible support and love for this community, we officially met our goal. Our collective efforts mean that more than $3 million is being invested in Porte County. These funds will enable Unity to make more grants, like the grants this food pantry has received from our Power for Good community grant program. And more grants mean more good. Each week, over 100 people walk through these doors, doing the very best that they can to stretch every dollar to make sure that their families have enough to eat. This pantry not only supplies food, but they also offer birthday bags, kits with cake mix, frosting, candles, and a small surprise. Because not only does every child in our community deserve to eat, they deserve to blow out candles on their special day. Stories like this are just one of the many reasons why local nonprofits need our continued support. I am filled with gratitude to you for trusting the Unity Foundation of LaPorte County with your charitable dollars, and for believing that by working together, we can create a stronger future for our community. Together, we are truly a power for good.